Hey guys, this is Mason, Fastlane European. We're going to bring you another video here today. Hopefully you'll find it informative. We're going to go over the process of a battery replacement, and this is going to be on a BMW. And anytime we replace a battery on this car, we have to do what's called a registration. It's where we tell the computers on the car that now there's a new battery. The computer regulates the charging system through that process. So we're going to walk you through step by step, and hopefully it gives you a little bit of more information. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video, just going over the intricate details and aspects of a genuine BMW battery registration. There is a barcode that they want you to install as a code in the BMW software to recognize that it is a genuine BMW battery. We went through that for you. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.